Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So let me reveal to you how to get hundreds of backlinks, quality backlinks to your website for free. Okay, so my name is Mbono Waxen. I'm an instructor and admin of NilerLearn.com, the University of NilerLearn.com. So this is the article I have written on how, which is the 3 steps to getting hundreds of backlinks to your website for free. Okay, so for your own good, you have to take your time to go through this article. As I said, the first step is writing a good article, a good quality article, and I explain how to come up with a good quality article. Okay, so if you scroll down, there's a PDF. You can download this PDF. It reveals to you the 8-step formula for writing powerful article in less than an hour. Okay, so that is the first step. As you can see here, I have written an article. This is an article I just wrote, and the title of the article is 4 easy health and fitness tips. 4 easy health and fitness tips. So the first requirement, I have gotten the first requirement, writing a good article. Then number 2 is submit your article to article directories. We have so many article directories on the internet. There are so many, not just directory but also forum. Unlike here in Nigeria, the #1 forum in Africa is NilerLearn. NilerLearn happens to be the #1 forum for Africa. So you have to write a couple of quality articles. Okay, so when you write this article, maybe you can choose maybe twice in a week to do what, to post this article on both forum and other directory submission websites. In this case, I will use NilerLearn for an example. To post on NilerLearn, you must have an account. If you don't have an account, of course, if you have a Facebook, to open an account with NilerLearn, it's as easy as ABCD. Okay, so just find here to create a new account. I have an account, and as you can see, one of my accounts here is what? NLearn. So the next one is for you to know your article title. So through your article title and the content of your article title, that will determine the categories in which your article falls. Okay, e.g., if you're writing for politics, make sure that you choose politics. If you're writing for politics, it will make no sense and it will not be helpful to you to go and post your article which is on politics on food. No, I don't know if you're getting it. Now, in this case, what I wrote is about health. So what should I do? I should look for what? A category under health. As you can see, this is health. As well, this article can also go under what? Fitness. Okay, so let's come here. On some directory, you will see health will be different category, fitness will be different category. So let me go to health. I click on health, then click on what? Create a new topic. I click on create topic, then I go to my article. First of all, I have to copy the article title. I return back to what? To NilerLearn and post it, then return back. Yes, I have written the article from A to Z, so let me copy it. Now I have to copy it and return back to what? To NilerLearn, to the body, and do what? Paste it. Now you have to take your time to go through them. Like this 4, as you can see, we have some subtopic. You can highlight them, then click bold. Okay, then you highlight some of the subtopic and topics. Okay, so apology for the background noise. You highlight all, you highlight each of them, and now this is the most important part. This is the most important part. Okay, so the most important part is for you to do or to add a resource box. Okay, you have to add a resource box. Although NilerLearn has a reference, that is to say a signature whereby you can go to your account and add your signature. Apart from adding your signature, another way is to add a link resource box. So what you should do is at the footer of your article on NairaLearn, like as you can see, I have written source. Copy a keyword. As you can see, University of NairaLearn is not a keyword related to this. Okay, by law, I'm supposed to copy this as a keyword. Are you seeing it? Then come over here, paste it. Okay, now I have to do what? Highlight this keyword. Okay, and do what? You see this logo, insert hyperlink. Click on it, and it has inserted what? Hyperlink. Now come over here, put equals to, okay, and return back to your site and copy your link of your site. Let me copy the naked link of my site, nairalearn.com. What do I mean by naked link? By naked link, I mean the HTTPS without the www. That is the naked link. Okay, so naked link is better than non-naked link, which is www.your site. So if your site is not on naked link, as an SEO expert, I'm advising you to do what? To set your site on naked link, your site URL on naked link. Now copy it. After the equals to, paste it. You're done. So what you should do is to click what? Submit. You now have a backlink. Okay, so the more article you wrote and submit, the more backlink you are getting, not just from NairaLearn, as well as other article directory. As you can see, this is the link. If you click on here, it will take you straight to my e-learning platform, nairalearn.com. Okay, so this is how to get quality back end. You should do this at least each week. You should come up with quality article 2 to 3, or if you can go with 5, no problem. If you can't, at least one quality article. Don't go and copy article, write them by yourself. Okay, return back to NairaLearn, download the PDF, the ebook, and learn how to write quality article. Believe me, this is technology, not just technology, but innovative technology. Okay, so writing and publishing article these days pays. In fact, on daily basis, I can't count numbers of people, the numbers of people that used to call me on daily basis. Where are they coming from? They are coming from my several articles I have written, as well as some video courses I have created and published online. Okay, so this is it for now. Thank you so much. I remain my humble self, Mbono Waxing.